Introducing the VGR V-603 Professional 2-in-1 Trimmer. Interchangeable nose and body heads give you complete versatility, while IPX5 waterproof tech lets you use it wet or dry. Powered by a 1200 mAh lithium battery, enjoy up to 180 minutes runtime with a full charge in just 2 hours via USB Type-C. 2 speed settings, turbo mode, LED display, and 3 guide comms put you in full control. Easy to clean heads and a compact, travel-friendly design make grooming effortless. VGR V603, smart, powerful, and ready for every detail.